Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to log out from your Google Drive account. So this is really simple action, guys. First step you'll need to do is to find this icon right here in the top right corner of your Google Drive. Just make sure you see it, click on it, and then basically sign out. So this button will log you out of Google Drive very simply and very quick. So click on that button right now, wait, and then you can see you are officially logged out. You can also delete this account. So press on delete account, choose an account. So let's say I will choose this one, and then press yes, delete. And now your account is completely logged out and deleted from this computer. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.